Michael Schumann is chairman of the German Federal Association for Economic Development and Foreign Trade.
We welcome it very much that it is addressing, primarily medium to long-term goals rather than pushing short-term issues and ad hoc stimulus measures that you might probably expect from a similar paper over here, which can quickly fizzle out. Because I think the strength of Chinese policy has always been its strategic foresight and its long-term planning. And of course, this communiqué later on will be broken down into a vast array of measures, but it outlines the direction, and that is a direction of a continued commitment to reform and opening up in challenging times.
So continued commitment to opening up and reform and creating more opportunities for private enterprises. From a European perspective, how do you see this influencing foreign investments and partnerships with China?
And there's a sentence in that communiqué, of course, that aroused our attention, which says that, if I quote it correctly, that the government will ensure that economic entities under all forms of ownership have equal access to factors of production and compete in the market on an equal footing. And we understand that as an affirmation of the private sector, recognizing its critical role in job creation, in innovation, and economic growth. And this could point, certainly it points to an easing of market access for private enterprises, reducing bureaucratic hurdles and providing a more level playing field when it comes to competition with state-owned enterprises. This is something that, foreign corporations invested in China have asked for it for a long time. German corporations invested in China have asked for it for a long time. So it is to be highly welcomed, and we hope that we can see major improvements along the way.
Now, China's commitment to high standard opening up and adherence to international trade rules were reiterated. How can the BWA, the organisation that you chair, leverage this to enhance trade relations between China and Germany, as well as China and Europe?
There's a clear, I think, confirmation in that communiqué that China will stick to opening up its markets, also even unilaterally opening up if needed, utilizing its vast market to promote expanded, economic interaction. China would continue to create significant trade opportunities that will allow foreign companies to gain access to its consumer base. Well, it could be consuming more, as everyone knows, but it's still an extensive consumer base. Very interesting for our companies. And I believe that, foreign direct investments might even flow back into China in larger numbers again when China offers companies new opportunities for growth and partnership. And there's quite a few things in that document that points to that. We're talking about reforms in fiscal and tax, in finance, deregulations, and in other market sectors. So that is a positive outlook.